I have this panel that I grabbed from a Christmas tree box. They were on clearance in Michael's a couple years ago, and me and Jamie would receive 4 of these panels in each box. I started by painting my board in Wise Owl Gray Primer. No rhyme or reason, it's just what I had open. And once that dried, I am now covering it in Wise Owl Snow Owl. I just did 1 coat. I kind of wanted a little bit more of a rustic feel. Once that dried, I just took my hand sander and just passed over it. Very light distressing, nothing crazy. And I had these letters that I picked up from either Michael's or Hobby Lobby. They were already white and I wanted them black. So now I'm painting them with Wise Owl black. I did need 2 coats. And they are the letters OVE. Once my 2 coats were done, I allowed that to dry. And I found this big, large handle at Hobby Lobby, and I removed the top screw so that the handle would swivel down. I'm going to be using E6000. I'm going to place my letters kind of staggered with the O just above the L part of the hardware. I'm using the E6000 and just a little bit of hot glue. The hot glue is just going to hold it in place while the E6000 dries, because we're going to need a really good glue, because this handle in itself is heavy. And then the letters, I did the same. I'm now going to take a paintbrush and a little bit of Snow Owl, and I'm just going around and dry brushing the outer parts of each letter to highlight, and then I'm going to dry brush my hardware. I went into my box of hardwares and found random items. I found this little circular panel from a door handle. I glued it to my O, and then I hit that with the dry brush of the Snow Owl. And dry brushing is just a dusting of very little paint just to grab the raised areas. Grab this handle, glued it to my V, dry brush that. This was so much fun. And then I had this little piece of hardware that I put on my E. And again, I just hit that with a little bit of Snow Owl. And there you go. Now I have this really cute love sign. It could go in a bedroom or for Valentine's Day. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you.